ह्या सेशना कडेन तुमी कशें पळयतात? कारण कितल्याशाच म्हाका दिसता अशें वर्सांनी वी आर हॅव्हिंग अ लॉंगर सेशन. आर यू हॅपी, सॅटिस्फायड दॅट देर इज अ लॉंगर सेशन नाव?
See, first of all, we had asked for a session of 21 days, but it has been given as 18 days. Nevertheless, for the first time, I believe in 5 years, the session is of 18 days on a stretch, the monsoon session. So, in that pretext, it is okay. But whether this session will still remain, for this government is capable of doing anything, whether it should remain for 18 days, कितें कसले excuse काडपा शकताय. So, we will definitely raise several issues we have raised in this session. We have got an opportunity because as MLAs we get an opportunity to file 15 unstarred and 3 starred questions. So 18 into 18, that gives every MLA an opportunity to file 324 questions, which I believe as the opposition MLAs, all of us have filed. And definitely we are ready to take this government head on.
मेजर इश्यूज कित्याचेर फोकस करता तुमी?
See, major issues is the corruption that is happening in this Pramod Sawant government. You look at all the ministries there is corruption. You look at Madai, what is happening with Madai? With the installation of Prava, what is the progress after that? What about the House Committee that was kept? After 2 meetings now, there is absolutely everything is stalled. You look at unemployment. Now, unemployment with the figures that is given to us, this is an issue of the state, and it has been highlighted by the Niti Aayog, by the CMI. What does that suggest? That Goa has the highest unemployed youth.
In terms of percentage?
Yes.